Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn off Instagram DMs. So you can do this on Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. So first of all, once you're on the Instagram app homepage here, you're going to want to click on the bottom right hand corner where you see the little icon of the person. That's going to bring you to your profile. Once you're there, click the top right hand corner where you see the three little lines. Then you're going to want to click Settings. Next, you're going to want to click Notifications. Then finally, you're going to want to click Direct Messages. Then that's going to bring you to this page here. Now, depending on what you want to do, so like first of all, you can turn off message requests just by clicking that there and making sure that's blue. And you can also do a group request as well. You can turn that off. And messages you can turn off as well there, or you can change it depending on what you want with like from primary only, etc, etc. And you can also do video chats off here as well, so customize it to however you want to. But if this did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on screen to see my how to videos on the Instagram app and other videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.